Sadie, can you run and jump? Look at me. Tell me about your glasses. Wow. Okay,
Bye.
Bye. Can you put your glasses on? Oh, who is so cool? Sadie, spin around.
Let me spin, Sadie. Oh, James, it's Sadie's turn.
Okay, Sadie, run to Daddy. Run!
Look at Daddy.
Run! Oh, wow, are you okay?
Say hello.
It's Marissa. Ah.
Overexposing your. That was a great face. Hello.
And Chris,
Hello.
Marissa's boyfriend.
Hello.
Yes. They came to visit us.
We did indeed. We did that. Hi. You came to meet James.
Marissa.
James, James, James. Jump. Can you jump? Sadie, can you jump? Sadie, can you jump up and down with James? Hi, James.
James. James. Hi. Hi.
Hey, James. Hi. Hey, Sadie.
I want to bite.
How are you? Can you tell me about your hat?
I need to clear off that camera.
Alright, someone here is poopy. Jane, are you poopy? Yeah? Sadie, are you poopy?
No.
Wait, you're poopy? Jane, are you poop? Or Sadie, are you poopy? Jane is poopy? Okay, we know this to be a lie. Both of them are lying.